This is a California legislative explainer on what are called urgency clause measures. Bills signed into law by the California governor that contain an urgency clause become urgency statutes or urgency clause statutes. In California's Constitution, in Article 4, Section 8, it deals with urgency statutes. And Section 8C3 provides that urgency clause bills go into effect immediately upon their enactment. This is the major distinction between a regular bill and an urgency bill. The regular bill takes effect on the following January 1, while the urgency clause bill takes effect immediately. So, what determines an urgency? Section 8D specifies that urgency statutes are those necessary for immediate preservation of the public peace, health, or safety. And because of this definition, an urgency measure must contain an urgency clause, which specifies why the bill qualifies for this special status based upon this definition. In this regard, Section 8D of Article 4 requires a statement of facts constituting the necessity shall be set forth in one section of the bill. In each house, the section and the bill shall be passed separately, each by roll call vote entered in the journal, two-thirds of the membership concurring. Not only is the urgency clause required with the relevant explanation, but also the legislature must vote on the urgency clause itself. Finally, Section 8D specifies that an urgency statute may not create or abolish any office or change the salary, term, or duties of any office, or grant any franchise or special privilege, or create any vested right or interest. As a result, these four types of bills are simply not allowed to contain an urgency clause and may not be enacted as an urgency statute. Due to these constitutional provisions, the two major distinctions with an urgency clause statute as opposed to a regular statute are the vote threshold and the effective date. Instead of a usual simple majority vote required of most bills to pass, an urgency clause statute requires a two-thirds vote on both floors of the legislature, and two votes are actually announced. One is on the urgency clause itself, and then one is on the bill itself.